Today we have driven to the heart of the Waimarino, to Horapito, where a new track opened on the 19th of June 2025 as a gift to the community for Matariki, which was on the next day, the 20th of June this year, celebrating the Māori New Year. We've been to Horapito many times, as the old coach road leads off in the other direction from here. This Te Hangaruru Mountains to Sea track isn't complete yet, with only Phase 1 available to ride at the moment, ending the 9-kilometre ride at the Mangaturuturu River Suspension Bridge. And that's it. But one day the track will ride through to the Last Spike Memorial Site. The Last Spike marks the location where the last spike was driven in 1908, completing the North Island's main trunk line, which is just before the Makatote Viaduct and will connect up with the Martin Sash and Door track, ending up at the National Park Village by the railway station. So one day, when it's all completed, there will be a bike track all the way from Ohakuni to National Park, joining all of these tracks to make a wonderful scenic and pleasurable bike ride. Freezing. Ooh. The heck's the date? Sunday the 6th of July. Smash Palace. Auto wreckers. Oh, it's closed. Horapito is famous for the making of the movie Smash Palace, which was made in 1982 and premiered in Ohakune. A lot of the movie was based around here in the Ruapehu region and here at the Horapito Wreckers Yard. No, there's no track as such. Right. Ooh, that's cool.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be
Okay. Gorgeous. Two-way slow down. Beautiful, eh? Gorgeous through these skinny trees. Do not cross the railway lines. Oh! Kmart. I think it'll be better to video the way home. I think this sun's going to be too annoying. Love this forest. I love it, I love it. And that's it. Yay! Hey? People go around it. They're walking, are they? They're the walkers that carry on. Come to the end of the ride. And it was a glorious ride. Whoa, this bridges are moving, man. Jeez. Wow, don't you dare make it move. Look at the poor drips can't hang on. Stop moving it. Poor drip. There's the road. Heck, a lot of cars. Heaps. What's going on? It's State Highway 1, isn't it? Busy. Hi. Hi. Kmart. Ten-person limit. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh. It's all draining down into there. Not really seeing there. It's just a stream. Noisy little stream. Can't see that one. Oh, it's hidden by bush. Okay. Let me help you revive the light. Winterfell, isn't it cool? What a spot. Beautiful little house. Anyway, we're at the 2k mark. Get back. Log cabin called, you read that? It says Laha. Beautiful spot again. How neat, eh? Busy. Some bikes coming. These little cabins. See what that one's called. Curious George. There we are. Coming back into Horapito with all the cars. Smash Palace. And here we are, back at Cycle Trail sign, Old Coach Road sign. Where? Oh no, where's he going? Oh no, where's he going? What's he looking at? Oh, there's signs over there. Ruatiti connection, connector. What does that say? You think it's a bike one? Ruatiti connector. Do not use State Highway 4. Oh. And Ruatiti manga purua. We're going to see what it's like. Oh. Man, look. Should we go and have a look? Are you keen? We could still have a look. Hey, let's check it out. It's wet. Fresh animal poop. Love everything. Oh no, that's gorgeous. Love everything. Oh, I could have ridden through it. You come through. Oh, sorry, I parked in the wrong place. My apologies. It's different being a grassy track, isn't it? Unique. Just so we keep off State Highway 4. Ruatiti. Cross State 4 with care to trail. Is there more over here? I might just go and visit that pig. I'm loving the pig. Hello, beautiful. Are you friendly? You are gorgeous, aren't you? Look at you. What a beautiful colour you are. Yeah. Oh, you must be a favourite with your owners. Hey, you're gorgeous. And what? Scott Base. What a neat name. In Antarctica. Rubbing. You're scratching. Anyway, we found the track. We'll go and have a look. Yay. Just so we stay off the State Highway 4. Horapito. 30. That's up, missed the turn. I missed it. Gotta be fast around here. It's down there. That's the one. Down the bump. There we go. Here we are. $42 k's. I don't have enough power in my battery. I'm halfway empty. I don't think we'll be going 42 k's, Bobs. Nah. Back we go. Back to Horapito. Beautiful with the mountain there. It's lovely. You're a bit muddy. I suppose I am too. Old coach road.